candies.
Alright, let's get to it. I mean, they've coming out with all kinds of cereals. They have Chips Ahoy cereals, Nutter Butter cereals. I've seen Sour Patch Kid cereals. Who would have thought that they came out with a Sour Patch Kid cereal? Sour Patch Kids and milk? I like milk and I like Sour Patch Kids, but I never thought of them maybe putting them together. Or not even a Sour Patch Kid in a pastry kind of way with wheat and bread and Sour Patch Kid. But I mean, alright, whatever. But we're going to get to this right here. You can try the Pop Tarts. I mean, they have the great frosted and the strawberry, the gooey, nice little jelly in the middle for you. So it'll give you a nice little taste of peanut butter and jelly. And we've got the Reese's Pieces Puffs. Alright? But myself, I recommend, if you can find them, the peanut butter cinnamon toast crunch. I don't think it's cinnamon toast. It'll probably be peanut butter toast crunch. But those, they're nice and fluffy, and you know, they're a very good made cereal. They don't break your teeth. Now, these, they may break your teeth, but I still do. I'll tamper with them a little bit. But just to let me show you, I don't understand why they have never came out with a peanut butter and jelly cereal. So I came up with it on my own because I love peanut butter and jelly. I eat peanut butter and jelly all day. Even when I go to jail, I come back out and I'm still eating peanut butter and jelly. Setup. You can call this a setup bowl. A bowl or setup. You understand? Just call it a setup bowl. But I love setup. I eat it all day. Just give me the bread, peanut butter, jelly. I'm smearing it on there all day. So I come home and I think, I'm like, hey, all of these cereals, where's the peanut butter and jelly? What's wrong with these people? I mean, peanut butter and jelly is the most classic snack you can ever come up with, you twit. You understand? The first king and queen probably ate peanut butter and jelly all day. It's purple. That means it's royalty. Now, let's pour some of these chocolate peanut butter pops in here like so. You understand me? Huh? You understand that? You see that? Do you need to see it? Look at that. Peanut butter pops. Right inside of the bowl. Right in there. You get it inside of that. Yeah, get it in there, get it in there. Oh, it's so good. All your friends, they're gonna ask you, where did you come up with this genius at? I mean, just throw on some Netflix or whatever it is that you watch. UFC. I like UFC. So now we're going to throw one of my favorites, Snap, Crackle, and Pop. Look at him! Pop! I love that fucking guy. Out of all three of them, I like Pop. Look at you, you fucking snap, crackle, and pop. But these are the strawberry ones. They're so tasty. I just want to give you them. I just have to open and break them open. Oh, I just, oh. They just make me so happy. Damn you! Why do you have to make the bag so hard? You fucking twits. What do you put on here? Super glue? Gorilla glue to fucking mend the bag together so that we can't get the fucking bag off? I'm sorry, people. I just lose it sometimes. Snap, crackle, pop. They calm me down. Alright, now, I'm sorry, people. Alright? Now you sprinkle. Look at that. Huh? Isn't that beautiful? Tell me that's not beautiful. Snap, crackle, pop. Now you've got peanut butter. No grape. Some people rather strawberry jam or jelly. But in this case, you don't really have much of a choice now, do you? You can go and get some blueberry, raspberry things, you know. There's other things that you can mend together in this little deal right here. But I prefer the way that I show you. And if I see you doing what I show you another way, I just might get offended and commence the flogging or some kind of torture. I don't know, but just try and stick to the way that I recommend, because my way's the best way. You understand? And anyway, you want me to add some milk? Do I need to add the milk for you? You need a spoon, some kind of utensil, some kind of eating utensil. There you go. You can share it with your friends. You both can have 2 spoons in a bowl. 2 spoons in a bowl. Two spoons in a cup. Whatever your fancy. But that's my idea of peanut butter and jelly in milk, or peanut butter and jelly in a bowl. Thank you for watching, and hopefully you guys can watch a couple of more of my videos of spectacular snacks. I have all kinds of ideas, and I'm willing to share them with you for a petty price, but we'll get to that later, wankers. Oh, and check out my sit down stand up. Oh, sit down stand up, it's great. It's even better than this peanut butter and jelly deal that we have going on here. This right here is just a taste for you. So when you're watching me and listening to me, you could try out my peanut butter and jelly deal. Alright? Peace out, people.